Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her teddy bear. Let's get started. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig, beginning with her cute little nose and round face, just like this. Next, I'll draw Peppa's tiny ears and Teddy's little ears too. Then, I'll add a sweet bow around Teddy's neck. Let's keep going. I'll draw their eyes and their big happy smiles. Magic finger time. Watch closely. Now I'll draw their bodies. Look. Peppa is hugging her teddy bear so tightly. How cozy! On Peppa's bed, I'll draw even more teddy bear friends: a frog, a cat, a monkey, a bear, and an owl. It's a snuggly teddy party. To make everything pop, I'm going to use a black marker to outline the drawing. Are you ready to color? Let's go! First, I'll use bright red to paint Teddy's bow. Red like an apple, red like a rose, red like a fire truck, wherever it goes. Dark blue for Teddy's shirt. Blue like the ocean, blue like the sky. Blue like a blueberry, give it a try. Oh, now it's time for green. Let's color. Did you know? When you mix blue and yellow together, you get green. Green like the grass, green like the trees. Green like a frog, jumping with glee. Now I'll grab my brown color to paint. I'll color the frog bright green. For the little monkey, I'll use a light brown. It's so cute. Next up, dark yellow for another friend, and gray for the sleepy owl. For the cat, let's use orange, just like this. Orange like a pumpkin, orange like a treat. Orange like carrots, so good to eat. For pink, I'll use pink to paint Peppa's lovely dress. Pink like a piglet, pink like a bow. Pink like cotton candy at the fun show. Now let's color the bed a pretty purple. Purple like a grape, purple like a plum. Purple like the flowers that make us hum. For the blanket, I'll use bright yellow. Yellow like sunshine, yellow like a bee. Yellow like a lemon, bright as can be. Now I have cream, light pink, and purple. Which color should we use for Peppa's skin? That's right, light pink. Let's color it in. Well, everyone, you did such an amazing job. If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time for more fun and creativity. Goodbye.